tabs, guys? Nate Vlog here. Welcome back to the channel, Groovy Vibes. So today we are going to try the product sneaker cleaner shoe eraser. Just add water. Wow. Okay, so this is actually perfect because I am heading back to the Philippines, so we got to get our shoes clean. So remember these ones? The first Nikes I ever owned is right here. So yep, we got to clean these ones. And these ones, look at that, they definitely need some cleaning done. Yeah, customized, the 77s. And nice. For my brand new ones that I got for Christmas, here we go. Yeah, Nike collection. Wow, look at these. Nike Legacy Court shoes. Yeah, got these at Christmas and whew, they need some cleaning done. I love these shoes so much. As you can see, all for different outfits. So, you know, the black outfits, the white outfits. So, wearing white, so I'd be wearing these today. Got to get those clean. And blue. You see that? It's blue. So pick up on camera, you think it's black. No, that's blue. So anyways, all right, so what are the instructions? You got to get these shoes going. Come on, we got to clean them up. Just add water, right? Okay, well, let's get the bucket. Okay, we got ourselves the paper towels. Let's just lay this out because I feel like this is going to be a dirty job. But yeah, anyways, another Dollar Tree find. Open this up. Oh, two sides. Just like a regular sponge, to be honest. Like if you're washing dishes. So the orange side, rub midsoles to remove dirt and grime. White side, gently buff out scuffs, marks, and stains. Alright, so yeah, pretty much literally just a sponge. Alright, we got ourselves the bucket of water here. And let's start with the white ones. Okay, here we go. So we'll dunk this. Okay. And now we'll just scrub. See that? See all that dirt right there? Oh, it's actually working. Wow. Okay. There's a deep one right here. Pick that. Does it pick up on camera? We're flipping it off to the orange side here for really scrubbing. Almost. A little elbow grease in there. Oh my god, I'm wearing a white turtleneck here. Oh geez. I don't think this is a good shirt to wear while cleaning. Yeah, getting there. Bottoms. Oh geez. Okay, how about the right here? Very dirty. These are one of my favorite shoes, customized. Uh-oh, it's starting to fall apart here. Uh-oh. This is only the first shoe. Well, I mean, for how much did I get? $1.25? I mean, I don't know, to be honest. I mean, I feel like you can just use a regular sponge. I don't know about the whole shoe eraser thing. I mean, it kind of works. Kind of. But yeah, I'm trying here. Scrubbing away. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Anyways, so yeah, the Philippines. Gotta get everything going here. Just trying to finish up the last things like packing, cleaning. Still gotta do my laundry. Yeah. And this time, should I say it or should we just wait for the actual video? I will just say this. Different destination. That's all I'm gonna say. Different destination in the Philippines. Yeah. I don't know about all this. Good thing I put the paper towels down. Yeah, it sure is dripping everywhere here. Sheesh. Hold on. You know what? let's pull these back. Let's get really in here now. Scrub, come on. All right. Well, I guess it's good as it's gonna get for now. Yeah. Got a spray in there. That's at the end though. I really love taking care of my shoes so it's not completely dirty like some of those out there where it's black here, tarnished. Alright, well, I tried. Get the bottom here. Alright, there you go, clean. And starting to dilapidate. Next, the other side, left. Alright, right here. Nice. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Huh. I'm trying here. When I was in Vietnam, same price, $1.25, or it could be even a little less. Hanoi, this shoe cleaner on the street. They were everywhere in Hanoi, and yeah, they did just hand it over to them. They did such an amazing job on this, and of course you got to give them a nice tip because all that work, I mean, they turn out perfectly, you know, especially in here, comes undone, glued it, everything, the whole 9 yards. It's like a brand new shoe, to be honest. So yeah, maybe I should just get these shoes cleaned over there. But we gotta look presentable now. Come on. Especially Nike shoes. Expensive. We stepped up from Vans. But do you remember my old Tommy? The Tommies? Yeah. Those were nice. I had them for many years. Always tried to clean them up. Alright, first pair done. So yeah, wow, we got a lot going here. A lot of work. Sheesh. Just dry these off, yeah. Yeah, you know, this thing's about done here. Look at that. Jeez. Seriously? Come on. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, that's all I gotta say. Alright. These ones now, huh? Actually, these aren't too bad. Maybe a little here. Yeah. Take good care of these ones. Oh, it's doing the show there. Okay. Maybe just different material? Is that what it is? I don't know. Alright, well, ourselves the other one here. Yeah, always in the front here. That took it away. I don't know, I'm having mixed feelings about this. I mean, yeah, it works, but then sometimes it doesn't really work that well. I don't know. Alright, those are done. I mean, especially here in the front. I mean, look at that. You see that? I mean, I'm trying, but nah, it's not working out. Okay, last pair. The new ones. Jeez. What am I thinking here? Okay, yeah. Wow. Okay. Nike Legacy. white part here. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, okay, that works. Oh, getting my face. Ah. Okay, that's good. All of these have to dry. Last one. Okay. Right there. Okay, that worked. That worked. Keep going around. It's a workout, to be honest. Muscles in the arms. Perfect. Good to go. Alright, now I can put these in my suitcase after they dry. Done. Okay, well, now I gotta really think about this. What do I rate this? 6 out of 10? I guess. 3 shoes and it's pretty much done. Alright, there we go. Got a lot to clean up here, and I'm not talking about the shoes. Okay. Yeah, well, let me dry these off. Yeah. All the white stuff right here is on the shoes. I mean, would I get this again? To be honest, no, not really. I would not go out of my way to get that. I would just use a regular sponge. Alright, nice. Yeah, these are really nice shoes. I love these. Not bulky looking. Just not really into those thick, bulky Nike shoes. Just, I mean, as you can see, I got a style going on. Right? You can see what I'm into here. Shoes like that, yeah. Swoosh. Nice. Okay, well, there we go. We did it. Put this down. Careful. Careful. Yeah. Alright. I think Dollar Tree needs to start sponsoring me, to be honest. That's all I do is content from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, reviewing. It's the way to do it. Cleaning up here, cleaning as we go. Yeah, as soon as these dry properly, I'm gonna put them in my suitcase, my brand new one I got for Christmas. And yeah, laundry. And I think that's it. Got to get to the airport early this time, so stay tuned for that video right after this. All right, this is it. This is the last video here in the South Bay. Remember that. South Bay, we are finished. All right, everybody, hope you guys dig it. Shoe cleaners, and yeah, it is what it is. All right, don't forget to hit up the PayPal, the Venmo, description down below if you want to support Nate Vlog. Hey, Philippines is coming up, so definitely if you feel generous, yeah, description down below. All right, thank you everybody for watching, and yeah, salamat po. Adios.